How good is your hearing? Take this free online test provided in this video to find out your hearing ability. Hearing ability is crucial for connecting with the world and communicating effectively. As we age, our ability to hear sounds at different frequencies declines. But how can you check your hearing online? You can assess your hearing by using an online hearing test like echalk.co.uk website. This online hearing test is free and can be done from the comfort of your home. It functions by playing tones at various frequencies and prompting your response. To take this online hearing test, you will need a computer and high quality headphones. Visit the echalk.co.uk website provided in this video description and choose the individual test mode. Next, to begin the test, click the Start Test button. When you hit the Start button, the test will generate tones with increasing frequencies, and you click I can't hear it button when you can no longer hear them. This test will provide your highest frequency and estimate your hearing age. The phrase hearing age is used to estimate the age when people can no longer hear certain frequencies. If your hearing age is higher than your actual age, it might mean you need to take extra care to protect your hearing. While online hearing tests can give you a general idea of your hearing ability, they are not as accurate as professional evaluations. If you suspect hearing loss, it's important to consult a doctor or audiologist. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.